Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your YouTube account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the account linked to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section on the left-hand menu. This area contains all the security features related to your Google account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section. Here, you will see the option for two-step verification. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as a text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup and confirm that 2FA is working. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your YouTube account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid any access issues in the future.